Fire protection is a key part of the modern transport industry. Painting all types of components with passive fire protection material before assembly optimizes processes and saves resources. Thanks to our products and the expertise of STORK, our partner and service specialist, we guarantee best results. Components are coated for long-term safety and in compliance with all quality standards. Also right on site, we have specialized equipment for every use case. Thanks to our many years of experience in the fire protection industry, we offer the right coating for every surface. Because we protect what really matters. Modern transport requires modern fire protection. We have the solution.